In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send assets from Adobe Bridge to After Effects. This process is essential for efficient workflow between these two powerful Adobe programs. Let's make your asset transfers seamless and straightforward. First things first, you're going to want to have both Adobe Bridge and After Effects open on your computer. Adobe Bridge is great for organizing and previewing all sorts of media files, while After Effects is, of course, the go-to tool for complex video effects and motion graphics. So, these two are a perfect match when working on projects that require you to use visual assets like images or video clips. Now, head over to Bridge. Once there, navigate through your folders until you find the one that contains the assets you're planning to use. This might include images, videos, or any other media file format suitable for After Effects. Having a well-organized file structure in Bridge will make this step much easier, ensuring you can quickly find what you need without any hassle. Once you have located your desired folder, take a look at the Content panel. This is where you'll be able to see a display of all your files as thumbnails. Select the file or files you wish to import. You can easily do this by clicking on each file while holding down the Control key if you're on a PC, or the Command key if you're using a Mac. This lets you select multiple files at once. Now, let's use the drag and drop method to get these assets into After Effects. Make sure you have After Effects already open and have either created a project or have an existing project ready to go. A quick reminder: it's always a good idea to have your composition settings in mind before you start transferring files, just to ensure everything syncs up smoothly. Back in Bridge, with the asset thumbnail selected, you simply click and hold the mouse button down over one of the chosen thumbnails. Now, drag your files all the way over to the After Effects application. You want to drop these assets into the project panel within After Effects. It's as easy as that. Just let go of your mouse button, and this simple action will import your files right into your project. Now that your assets are in After Effects, the final step is placing them into your timeline. Head over to the project panel, and from there, you can drag your files into any composition timeline to begin integrating them into your project. Doing so will allow you to start crafting the visual masterpiece you've got in mind. And there you have it, an easy way to transfer your essential files from Adobe Bridge into After Effects. This straightforward drag and drop technique ensures that your transition between these two software applications is as smooth as possible. Happy editing!